Yahweh said to Rael, "There is an important revelation which you may now make." The Jewish people are our descendants on earth. That is why a specific destiny is reserved for them. They are the descendants of the sons of Elohim and the daughters of men as mentioned in Genesis. Their original mistake was to have mated with their scientific creations. That is why they have suffered for such a long time. But for them, the time of forgiveness has come, and they will now be able to live peacefully in the recovered country, unless they make another mistake in not recognizing you as our messenger. We wish our embassy on earth to be built in Israel, on a tract of land given to you by the government. If they refuse, you may build it elsewhere, and Israel will undergo a new punishment for not having recognized our messenger. 9 o'clock tonight on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. I will explain this in details.